Hi, I'm Danny. Today we're diving into Forward Screen Repair Consumables, essential tools designed to elevate your mobile repair game. Forward offers two specialized lines, the Shield series and the Guard series. Those are crafted to meet the highest standard, ensuring quality and reliability for your repair needs. These consumables are fit to various repair scenarios. Whether you just need the glass, the frame, or a complete glass and a touch solution, let's put them to the test. Firstly, the oleophobic coating test. Notice how water rolls off easily, indicating superior resistance to fingerprint and smudges. Tempered performance test. Here we can see how resistant is the screen even in hard testing conditions. For the frame, conductivity is crucial to ensure proper touch responsiveness. Our test confirms excellent conductivity compared to the market, meaning your touch input will be accurate and responsive. Forward, the Shield and Guard series are engineered to enhance the efficiency for mobile repair specialists. With top-time materials and a meticulous design, these screen consumables not only meet but exceed industry standards. If you want to invest in quality tools, I highly recommend Forward Screen Consumables. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time. Bye bye.